Hi! In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 9 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, you need to access settings and scroll down. Now click on security and lock screen, select screen lock over here and click on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. When you're ready, you need to enter it, choose next over here at the bottom right corner, repeat it and select confirm. Now tap on one of those options to answer the question, how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I don't want any, so I will go with the last one, don't show notifications at all, and select done. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!